guys, and welcome to another video. So in this Kotlin video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can collect input from a user and then output what the user typed onto the screen. And to do that, we use something called the print. As you can see, the print takes in lots and lots of data types like boolean, byte, char array, double float, int, long, short. But here I am going to put in a string because I want the user to be able to type in a string. So here I'm going to say please enter your name, and then after that I am going to create a variable down below here, and I'll call it input, and this will be equal to something called read line. So the read line here will read what the user has typed in and then store it into this variable called input. Then the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to just echo or print it out, print what the user typed out by using the print line statement. So inside the print line, I'm going to say your name is, then I'll use my string template called input. So let's try this and see. I'm going to hit here to run it. So when the application runs, I'm going to, you see the cursor here is blinking. That means it wants me to type in something. So I'm going to type my name in food. I'm going to hit enter. So once I type it and press enter, it says your name is plus my input. So that's it guys for this tutorial. That's how to get the user input in Kotlin.